Here's how to link your Exness broker account to MetaTrader 5 without any hassle. Start by downloading MetaTrader 5. Just search for it in your browser or go straight to the official site. If you're on your phone, you can grab it from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, open it up and agree to the terms to get started. If you don't already have an account set up inside the MT5 app, go ahead and create a demo account real quick. Tap Open an account, enter your basic info like your name and phone number, then hit Register. Don't worry, you'll connect your real account in the next steps. Now open your Exness app. Go to your account section, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, and find your way to Settings. Under that, scroll down until you see Trading Platform, MetaTrader 5. That's where you'll find your server info. Copy the server name exactly. Switch back to MetaTrader 5. Tap the menu again in the top left corner, and go to Manage Accounts. Hit the plus sign to add a new one. In the search bar, type in Exness Technologies Limited or paste the server name you just copied. Select the right server. It has to match what your Exness app shows. Choose Login to an existing account. Then enter your Exness login, which is your account number, and your trading password. Tap Login. If everything checks out, you'll see your Exness account listed in MT5, and you're good to go. You can now trade directly from MetaTrader 5 with your Exness broker account.